Now here we have the camera application, as you can see, and the camera application does allow you to do tap to focus and autofocus as well, which is good. You can also change the exposure area for the photo, which is good. So you can change the exposure over here, which is very nice. Again, in case you would like to take photos in low light, this is going to be very useful. Let's take a photo as of now, and for that I need to first of all revert to the normal settings. So I will launch the camera again. So the camera has been launched again, and this is how the interface looks like. Let me just take the photo of this Android Robo. Again, we have some amount of artificial light falling on the subject. So let me just disable these artificial light before I take the second photo. And now we will see how is the low light performance on this phone once we take this photo again without the artificial light, which was already there before. So we have taken both of these photos, and let me just show you both of them one by one. So here we have the camera interface, and let me just first of all show you these photos before I go ahead and tell you some other camera options which we have on this one. So this is the one which has been taken without the artificial light. I would say this photo has came out to be pretty good in terms of clarity, and in terms of color production as well, it is looking nice. When it comes to the other one which has been taken with artificial light, this one looks more natural. However, this one looks slightly oversaturated in terms of colors, and brightness is also kind of high. And over here this one looks much more natural. This looks better in terms of colors, and details are also captured nicely, more precisely on this photo which has been taken with artificial light or with light. I could say in daylight you can take much better photos from this phone, and in low light as well you can get better photos. As far as front camera is concerned, let me just take a photo from the front camera as well. So this is how the front camera look like. It is a 2 megapixel fixed focus front camera. Let me just take a photo of mine, and it does have face detection as well, which is good. So it has taken my photo, and I can show you this one. So this is how the front camera look like. The front camera is pretty good in terms of capturing, you can say, clear photos. Details are not that good, but again, for selfie shots this looks like a decent device. The kind of details you can expect from the camera is not going to be great. As you can see, there is slight amount of haziness, but for low light shots or even for selfies you can take much better selfies. And again, in case the light is not enough, you can use the flash as well. So let me just turn off the light again, and we will just take a flash. We will just take a front camera selfie from this phone, and in this time we will use the flash. So I will basically enable the flash in this case. So the flash for the front camera has been enabled, and let me just take a photo. Right now it is the kind of a dark scenario, and again for normal photo I'm not going to be very clear. Let me just take this photo now. So this is the one which has been taken without the flashlight. If I take the same photo with the flashlight, let me see how does it look like. So both of these photos are here, and this is the one which has been taken without the flashlight. This one is pretty decent, I would say, not bad, but the one which has been taken with flashlight is looking definitely better than this one. As you can see, I can see myself clear in this one as compared to this one in which the light was not there and the photo did not came out to be pretty good as compared to this one. Let me just take the photo again to show you the difference. So if I basically take a selfie like this in this case, and if I am here, for example, let me just take the photo. So I've just taken the selfie in the selfie way, because normally selfies are taken when you hold the camera vertically or when you hold the device vertically. So this is how the selfie will come out to be good, especially with the flash it has on the front. Again, this flash can be kind of annoying, but you can take better photos because of this flash which is there on the front on this phone, which is definitely a unique thing as compared to any other device out there in the market. We have seen other devices as well which came with LED flash on the front, but this device is doing a pretty good job with the front flashlight, and it does have an LED flashlight at the back as well. So it does not compromise the camera quality for the rear or for the front, which is a very good thing.